Fam, good morning. Welcome. It is 6:37. Hope y'all seen that, guys. I'm going to show you how I conquer my days. Hopefully, you will start conquering yours. And being great, man. I hate the mornings, guys, but it's okay. We're gonna do this. I will see y'all at the gym. Fam, welcome. Man, like I said, guys, it is early in the morning. I hate mornings, but I'm going to get my damn day started because this is how I conquer my day. And I just want to know, guys, what do you do in the morning, or how do you start your morning so that way you can conquer your day? Let me know down there in the comment section. And while you're also down there, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. Click that like button and also share this content, guys, when this video is over. But we're gonna get started. I will catch you at the end of my run. Bam. Your boy just got finished running that mile. He tired. I don't know what to do anymore. Man, let's keep up the hard work. But before I go, I want y'all to see the results.
18 minutes, 37 seconds. Yo.
YouTube, fam, the boy is tired. I'm gonna keep doing this. I want y'all to keep doing this too. Again, I still hate the mornings. I just can't. Oh man, I'm tired, guys. I just ran another mile, 2 miles. I don't know why I do that to myself, but it's all good, guys. I will see y'all later on at the desk, fam. If nobody told y'all today they love you, I love you. Your boy Mark. He'll see y'all later on. Fam, welcome to the desk, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed that morning routine of mine, guys. That's pretty much how I start my week off, Monday through Friday, guys. Try to be consistent, but let's be real. I'm human. Some days I don't wake up at 6:30. I wake up at 7:30. Don't tell nobody. But I'm gonna be great, guys. It's hard work. I freaking hate the mornings, if you didn't already know. But I get up and do it anyway because it makes me uncomfortable. And I know anything that makes me uncomfortable is gonna make me great. And it's just a matter of time, man. Let me just keep working. I keep telling myself that in my head every day. Do something. Just keep working, and your life will change, Marcus. Tell myself that every day. And guess what? If you do the same thing, fam, your world and life will change as well, guys. I'm telling you. Believe in it. Believe in yourself. Love yourself, guys. Guys, tell me how you start your day down there in that comment section. And tell me, what did you do that day that made you conquer that day, guys? It doesn't matter what it is. It can be grocery shopping. It can be cleaning up your apartment. It can be washing your car. Hell, it can be, I don't know, freaking cooking. If you cooked a home cooked meal for yourself, which you ain't did in a long time, if that makes you feel like your day is conquered, guys, tell me. I want to know, please. And when you also down there in the comment section, guys, go up just a little bit, click that subscribe button for me. Also, like this video, guys. Please share it with friends and family, man. Let's spread greatness to everyone, because everybody has that potential, okay? And I just want to unleash that potential, guys, because we're all over 9,000. Yeah. I couldn't help myself. I ain't want to scream the mic, but I would have screamed, my nigga. But yo, fam, I ain't gonna keep y'all here much longer, guys. I love y'all. God loves y'all. Your boy Mark, he out. Stay blessed, fam. And have a good weekend.